My name is Blake Forte. My job title here at EVS is the assembly lead. Typical day here at EVS, I clock in every morning, I go to my workstation, review my schedule, see if there are any updates on it, any hot orders that need to be, rushed out or prioritized or anything. Check in with my guys, see if they need any, materials for their job that they're about to do. So the assemblers, the upholsters, and then the final finish people that put the final product into the box. Here at EVS, we do mainly just ambulance seating. We do some interior cushions. A memorable moment for me, I would say, we did a seat for the St. Louis Children's Hospital. They put it in this really customized unit for the kids down there. We got to see pictures of it afterwards. It just gave you like a fulfilling kind of feeling, like seeing your product actually in action. It looks good, it performs good. It makes you feel whole, You do have to be quick, there will be sometimes you kind of trip over your own feet, but mistakes will happen, and it's all part of the learning experience. You're never gonna learn anything if you don't make a mistake from it, so you know what to do next time for that situation. We have an amazing ESOP program here. It's employee stock ownership program, so we all have shares in the company, and that was just really interesting. Somebody's always going to need built, manufactured, and you can learn a multitude of these skills just working in one building. So it's not like you're just in manufacturing. There's a bunch of different avenues that go with manufacturing also, sales, shipping, receiving. People think you're just standing in one spot, you do one job all day. There's a bunch of different avenues that you can climb and grow from, Skills, I would say, you definitely need something, and with hands-on tools, you've built something before, you've put something together, followed a certain set of directions to make something complete. I would say that's definitely a skill. Anything with like machining or tooling, because sometimes we do have to fabricate a little bit of our materials to make it work. A good tip to be able to stick out, I would say, in your interview is definitely be eager. Never downplay yourself. Be very confident. Be engaged with your interview. Show some interest. If you're doing a walkthrough through the building, just ask questions. What's this? What does that do? You're showing the people who you are, and that's all it is.